Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how you can add tendrils like this to any scarf. So you could just make a plain double crochet scarf and then add some tendrils and it turns it into a fancier scarf. So let's get started. So you're going to start with the foundation chain, and you can start with the foundation chain of any length. And my foundation chain was approximately 20 to 22 inches long. So you start with the foundation chain any length that you would like. And then you're going to double crochet in the fourth stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make one double crochet. And make one more double crochet in that same stitch. Okay, now make 2 double crochet in every stitch all the way up your foundation chain. So 2 double crochet in every stitch. 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Like that. And it's naturally going to start to curl like this. And that's what I have here. And this one is approximately 22 inches long. And when I reached the end of the row, I just tied my 2 ends into a knot, and I left them like that for added detail. So here's the scarf, and I have one here, and I have one here. And this is just 4 rows of double crochet, and then a chain 3 loop all around the edges. So that's how that scarf was made. So now I'm going to insert this one in the center. So I'm going to take this stitch, I'm going to pass this through, and then I'm just going to tie 1 knot like that. And that's how easy it is to add these tendrils to the ends of a scarf. And I will put a link below on how to make this shawl pin. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.